Hello guys, so today we will talk about the game between the Los Angeles Lakers and the Detroit Pistons in the NBA Summer League. So let's all watch. The first 103-86. Congratulations Pistons! At the end of the game, Luka Garza got 20 points, 4 rebounds, 6 out of 12 on the shooting, got 50% from the field goal, and the best player of the game, Saben Lee, 22 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, 1 block, 8 out of 16, got a 50% field goal percentage.